everybody, Mike McAleese here from the School of Holistic Massage and Reflexology, and welcome to my YouTube video. Over the next couple of weeks, we're going to go through some self-care tips that you can do at home. Now, one of the first sets of self-care that I would love to have you do, I will demonstrate, and I want to thank Dr. Evan Ozar and Integrative Movement Specialties for this set of self-care. Now, if you could just stand, just normal, just feet shoulder length apart. And what we're going to do is we're going to test and we're going to look at the rotation of our shoulder complex, or your shoulder. A lot of us do have shoulder problems, but if you're working out, sometimes by doing your workout, it makes things worse. So I'm just going to give you a set of some really good self-care that you can do in between your sets, okay? Now the first one, I want you just to reach across and feel your rib cage, okay? Now you're going to bring your arms straight up just like this, and you should feel your rib cage moving upwards. Now in the meantime, as you're bringing your shoulder up, what you want to do is to think about if you have any limitations, or I'm going to do this sideways, if you're bringing your arm up, if you have to actually arch your back just to get your arm up, then it's definitely a limitation and we have issues there, or just some modifications. So I would suggest that you do that first. Now the other one is cervical rotation. So just by turning your head one way and turning your head the opposite way, and you can do that 3 times. And then take a note of where you do have your limitations. Go ahead and do your set, and then test yourself again and to see if it's made it worse or if it's made it better. If it's made it worse, then I would suggest you modify that workout, or maybe not do that workout that you're doing. The next is the thoracolumbar area, or the core. So you're going to turn one way, and you turn the other way. You do that 3 times. Notice if you do have any limitations with that movement as well. So the next one we're going to do is we're going to check the internal and external rotations of the hip. So Sarah, can you come on over? So you can lay on the ground if you want to. You're going to take one leg, you're going to go internal, and then external, and then you're going to go external and internal, and that will tell you if you have any limitations in your hips. That would be your gluteal muscles, maybe your quads, or your hamstrings. Again, when you do these, go ahead and do your sets, and then if you get worse with these tests, then I would modify or maybe pull back on that exercise, or you can give me a call, 630-968-7827, and we can see what else is going on. Thanks. We'll talk to you later, and we'll have some more self-care tips